Arthritis, a chronic disease which can't be cured permanently, but it can be treated successfully. So today I'm going to give you some lifestyle changes, some dietary changes and some exercises that if you follow in your daily routines, then you are definitely going to treat the arthritis successfully. Hey everyone, this is Aagam Singh Sisodiya and you're watching Disease Media. So the first thing that you have to change in your life, that you have to avoid some food items which are creating problems in your body due to arthritis. So the first lifestyle change that you have to do in your life, that you have to eliminate some food items which are creating problems in your body due to arthritis. The first thing that you have to change, that you have to eliminate actually, that is excess amount of sugar and salt in your diet, because due to excess sugar and salt in your diet, the inflammatory activities increases in your body, and due to that more pain is faced by the person. Second thing that you have to eliminate is the saturated fats such as butter, ghee, vanaspati ghee, or any type of fried food such as pizza, burger, chow mein, or red meat if you are a non-vegetarian. Because due to excess amount of saturated fats, the obesity level of your body increases, and due to obesity, the arthritis problem increases and your pain also start to boost up. And the next important thing that you have to avoid is the refined carbohydrate food items such as white bread, white rice, chips, etc. Because these refined carbohydrates increases the inflammatory activities in your body, and due to that the pain will go on and on. You can replace the white rice with the brown rice, or with white bread to the brown bread. You can replace them easily. And there is a big misconception regarding citrus fruit, that people think that citrus fruit increases the inflammatory activities in your body. But this is not right. The citrus fruit includes the lemon, oranges are not inflammatory for your body. If you take in a small amount, they will decrease the inflammatory activities in your body. That's a very big misconception regarding citrus fruit. The concept is right regarding the raw mango or the tamarind, in which there is lots of sourness and that can increase the inflammation. That's a real and the serious fact. But the citrus fruits are not creating inflammatory activity, so please clear this misconception. You can take lemon juice or orange juice, that will decrease the inflammation in your body in a limited amount. So now we had talked about that which food items which we have to avoid. Now let's move on to know that which food items we have to replace and which we have to take in a large amount, so the arthritis problem will go off. So the first replacement that you have to do is in your oil. Whatever the oil you are eating, such as the soybean oil or the groundnut oil, that you have to replace that oil with the olive oil, with the sunflower oil, with the avocado oil, or with the flaxseed oil. You can take any of the 4 oils from these. The olive oil is the best one, which decreases the inflammation in your body. All of the 4 one also does the same, but the olive oil is the best one, that decreases the inflammation in your joints and also provide the fluid in your joints, so that your joints can move properly and there is less friction and less pain in your joints. The second thing that you have to include in your diet, that is omega-3 fatty acid rich foods such as walnuts or flax seeds, because when you eat these type of food items, the omega-3 fatty acid level increases in your body. That will increase the metabolic activities and also decreases the inflammatory activities in your body. The next thing that you have to include in your diet, that is the soaked beans or the sprouted beans, because they contain lots of minerals that will decrease the inflammation in your body. The upcoming thing is very important for your diet because it increases the bone strength of your body. That is the calcium rich food items. When you take calcium rich food items, it increases the bone strength of your body. The calcium rich food items may be the milk products or any type of fruits or vegetables. You can take any type of milk products such as yogurt, paneer, or the raw milk, which is rich in calcium. Now this is the point for lactose tolerance people, that if they are not able to digest the milk or if they are allergic to milk products, then they can take certain type of green vegetables such as the green leafy spinach, or you can take the drumsticks in place of it, because that is also rich in calcium, that will fulfill the requirement of calcium for your body. And the next point also relate with it, that you have to take more and more green leafy vegetables, because they contains lots of amount of vitamins such as vitamin K and vitamin D that helps in absorption of calcium in your body. And if possible, then you have to replace your regular tea with a green tea, because green tea contains lots of antioxidants that will help to to reduce the inflammation in your joints. And there is a small misconception regarding cow ghee or the desi ghee, that it is also a saturated fat. It can also harm your body, but it does not, because if you take it in a small amount, in a proper amount, it will benefit your body and it will also lubricate your body and doesn't harm you. So please clear this misconception regarding desi ghee or the cow ghee. So now we had know that which food items which we have to include and which we have to replace. Now let's move on to know about the exercises which we have to do for arthritis. The first exercise that you have to do is the massaging exercise for your joint, and the movement, the ball movement or the movement for your joint. For example, your wrist is affected with the arthritis and there is a pain there. Then you have to massage gently with the warm oil at that area, and you just have to support that hand, and then you just have to start rotating that hand in a circular motion or with the anti-clockwise and clockwise motion. You can do this type of procedure with any type of joint. You just have to massage and then you just have to move that joint for up to 5 to 10 minutes. It's the daily routine which you have to follow, because when you do this type of exercise, that will also relax your muscles and also helps your joints to move properly without friction. And the next exercises that you have to do, the breathing exercise such as Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom or the Bhrastika, or just taking the deep breaths. Because when you do the breathing exercise or just taking the deep breaths, lots of oxygen, the excess of oxygen will go inside your body, and due to that the inflammatory activities will decrease, and also the repair function of your body increases in a higher amount. And at the end of the day, you have to examine your body. Is there any pain in your joints? Is there any inflammatory activities in your joint? If yes, then you have to go through the list which you had prepared, and you have to pick up the food items which is suspicious for you, that if you are thinking that this food items can create the problem, and you just have to eliminate that food item for the next day diet. And at the end of the day, you have to again examine your body, that is there any pain? If no, then you have to replace that food item which you had selected from the list, because that food item is creating inflammatory activities in your body. That's a very simple method that you can do at your home, because if you do that, you are definitely going to treat your arthritis successfully. While in some cases the pain and inflammation is very high, at that time you have to consult a doctor, because you need medical treatment with the home remedies or with the lifestyle changes that you are performing. And also, if you are overweighted, please reduce your weight, because when you reduce your weight, the inflammatory activities also reduces with that. So that's all about the lifestyle changes that you can do for arthritis to make the successful treatment. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your family and friends, because by sharing this video, you are creating awareness about arthritis and its treatment. And if you are fond of traveling, means that you love to travel different locations, different places, then I have a separate vlog channel on it. You can see the logo on your screens. Just click on it and it will redirect to my vlog channel. And there you see amazing documentary movies and amazing vlog videos that you can enjoy at your home. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and select all to get more notifications about these type of videos. So that's all for today. I will see you later in the next video.